My name is Dennis.
My name is Richard.
I am 15 years old.
I'm 14 years old. I generally like dance. I like doing dance. I like performing. I just like learning more different styles of dance.
The reason I joined Battery Dance Company is because I'm interested in dancing, and the movement of your body is the most beautiful art ever.
Like how cool it's like to just make a new dance out of things we just created, out of normal, regular things that we saw. Like for example, seeing a dragon, using colors.
One thing I learned after the workshop is how to use my body more. You know, I've always stuck to like using my hands, and I really didn't explore my body at its fullest. I didn't know I had so much potential. The best part for me is learning how to use my whole body to make the choreography.
Felt more confident after performing in front of a lot of people at a performance. I also learned that dance is very abstract. It's not really a one thing. You could just make it out of anything. That's what I just really enjoy.